Ever imagined waking up to a sunrise in the middle of nowhere with all the comforts of home right behind you? The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan makes that dream a reality. Ford has transformed its legendary workhorse into a fully equipped, adventure-ready home on wheels, blending smart design with serious practicality. The heart of this campervan is the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower and 400 lp-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth acceleration whether you're cruising highways or tackling steep mountain roads. And with available all-wheel drive, the Transit Campervan stays sure-footed even on rough terrain. Inside, the layout is designed for maximum space efficiency. The modular interior can be configured to fit your needs with a foldable bed, a compact kitchenette, and a well-thought-out storage system. There's a built-in induction cooktop, a small fridge, and even a sink with a water filtration system. Plus, Ford has integrated a smart energy system, allowing solar panels to charge the battery bank, keeping your devices and appliances powered off. Comfort isn't sacrificed for practicality. The Transit Campervan features soft-touch materials, an insulated cabin for temperature control, and a panoramic skylight that brings in plenty of natural light. The swivel captain's chairs make the space feel open, and the rear seating area doubles as a workspace or dining spot. Technology plays a big role in making life on the road easier. The 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen keeps navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls at your fingertips. You'll also get Ford Co-Pilot 360, offering adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, essential when maneuvering a van this size. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly solid for a vehicle of this category, with an estimated 18 to 20 mpg depending on load and driving conditions. And if you're planning extended trips, there's an available extended-range fuel tank, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. The exterior keeps Ford's modern transit design language, but adds camper-specific enhancements. The high roof option increases interior headroom, and the sliding side door provides easy access. Roof rails allow for extra cargo storage or even an optional pop-up tent. And with rugged all-terrain tires, you can confidently take this van beyond paved roads. Starting at around $65,000, the 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a compelling option for those who want to explore without giving up comfort. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time nomad, it's built to take you anywhere. That's it for today's ride review. If you're into adventure-ready vehicles, stay tuned. We have something exciting coming up next.